Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Start by sitting in the driver's seat with your iPhone unlocked and Bluetooth ready. Open Settings and tap Bluetooth to make your iPhone discoverable to the car. Turn the car accessory to accessory power or start the engine per the manual. Activate the vehicle pairing mode using the infotainment menu or a pairing button. Look for the car name under Other Devices on your iPhone and select it. If prompted, confirm the 6-digit PIN matches on both displays before accepting. After initial connection, tap the car name under My Devices to view options. Enable phone calls and audio streaming by toggling both switches in the device details. Allow contacts and favorites sync when the prompt appears to share your contacts. If the car requests access to messages, only grant it if you trust the vehicle. Set the car as a favorite device to prioritize it when multiple Bluetooth devices are nearby. Test by placing a call and playing audio to confirm microphone and media controls function. If pairing fails, toggle Bluetooth off and on the iPhone and restart the car system. Delete the device from iPhone and re-add it if status remains unavailable or not connected. Update your iPhone to the latest iOS version to fix compatibility issues with infotainment systems. Consult the car manual for max paired devices. Some systems limit to 5 or fewer connections. For repeated drops, clear Bluetooth cache by disconnecting unused devices and resetting network settings. Keep cabin.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.